Hi, hello everyone. So this is our fifth video on a Scrum Master interview question series, and today's question is on teams working. Here is our fifth question. What would you do as a Scrum Master if your Agile team is consistently missing their sprint commitments? So that means if you're acting as a Scrum Master and you realize your team is not able to meet the sprint goal or sprint commitment, what necessary action will you take? How will you address this particular challenge or problem? So this is how we can answer this particular question during the interview process. So we can say as a Scrum Master, I will focus on these areas. The very first thing would be coaching the entire team. Second one would be right planning. Third one is the collaborating with the PO. Fourth one is transparency. Fifth one is data insights, using the data insights. And the last is the continuous improvement. So when I say coaching the team, that means coaching the entire team on the ways of working on Agile Scrum process so that they understand how we are enabling the agility within our team. Second one is the right planning. So by right planning, I mean, do we as a team, as a group, as a unit understand what is the rationale behind our team's commitment to a particular sprint goal or the overall work? How we are arriving at, this plan will work for us. How do we know as a team that, whether this particular plan or our commitment will be successful? Have we understand the concept of right sizing, or are we all aligned towards our sprint goal? Also during the planning, are we taking care of the team's capacity? So these are some of the ingredients of the right planning, and which is very important for the entire team to understand these basic concepts of making their plan successful. Third one is collaborating with the PO, the product owner. That means PO is also part of the team. So PO needs to be coached. PO also needs to understand the roles and responsibility and needs to take care of the backlog health and backlog management. Fourth one is the transparency. That means as a Scrum Master, we need to uh, promote transparency, openness, trust, mutual respect, psychological safety. As a team, as a group, we need to create that environment where everyone feels safe to kind of share their problems or blockers or impediments. Fifth aspect is the data insights. That means, the metrics that we normally capture at the end of the sprint or the end of a release that needs to be regularly looked at by using the data insights. Nowadays, a lot of tools like Jira and Azure DevOps, they provide insights about how a team is particularly progressing towards a sprint goal or sprint commitment. So we need to take care of those data insights, and team's data is for team only. And the sixth one and the last area is the continuous improvement. That means as a team, are we taking regular pauses, which I term as rhythms for the continuous improvement? So that's all about today's video. Thank you.